Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by sterilizing and assembling the Mam Easy Start Bottle. Do this now so you avoid interruptions later. Once done, fit the anti-colic valve into the base and press the silicone inner cup in until it seats evenly. Make sure the nipple is the correct flow size for your baby. Small changes affect feeding pace and air intake. You'll fill the inner cup with milk or formula to the mark, then screw on the outer shell to lock the valve in place. You now focus on controlling flow and reducing air. This is where the design matters. Hold the bottle at about a 45-degree angle so the silicone inner cup stays filled. That prevents the infant from swallowing air and reduces gas. If feeding seems too fast, choose a slower nipple or rotate the collar slightly to alter flow. Conversely, pick a faster size if baby works too hard. Once feeding starts, occasionally burp and observe latch and swallow rhythm to confirm comfortable pace. You finish by burping the baby, emptying any leftover milk, and rinsing all parts right away to prevent residue. After rinsing, disassemble and sterilize according to the updated instructions. This preserves the valve's function. If you see leaks, make sure the valve is seated and the outer shell is tight, then inspect the silicone for tears. And if your baby swallows too much air, lower the bottle angle, try a slower nipple, or replace the anti-colic valve to restore proper feeding performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.